Hi everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's have a great day. For this video, I'm going to do a MAC Whitney Houston Collection makeup haul as well as makeup tutorial specifically on two different eye looks. Um, and I feel like I'm going to take a chance today in this video because I mean like when you, if you're gonna see Whitney Houston song, you better know what you're doing. So I'm gonna give this a try. But before I do my makeup tutorial and sing while I do my makeup tutorial, show you how I do my looks that I can think of on the spot. Here are my goodies that I got from the collection. So I got this gorgeous bag right here. I got the eyeshadow palette. Out of all the lipsticks that I tried in the store, I swatched on my hand, I like Nippy's Rose the best. I'm to put it on right now because it looks the best. One looks the best on me, as you can see right now. See, it kind of reminds me of my old Plum Dandy lipstick. And then I got the two lip glosses. So this one is the shimmery gold. This is the shimmery cinnamon. So let's get started. Okay, so in this eye I'm gonna do a more of a neutral day look. Okay, here we go. What song I'm gonna sing right now? Okay, I'm looking at this one. I'm trying to remember. No. As soon as I decide which to wear. Okay. Right over here. Nippy's melon. Let's get going. Okay. I believe the children are the future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. I never found anyone who fulfilled my needs. A lonely place to be, and so I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live inside of me. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity, because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself, it is the greatest love of all. And if that chance, that special place that you've been dreaming of leads you to a lonely place, find your strength in love. Hey, did it. Best I can. Okay. Oh. I don't remember if I showed you this one. I just put Nippy's Chestnut as on the lower lash line. And that's my look. That's my first look, more like a day neutrally look. More like a day look. Okay, let's go on to the next look. Okay. Yeah, if I'm gonna go on The Voice, or if I'm gonna, if someone asks me sing something on the spot, you know, it's good singing practice. No, I'm not Whitney Houston and stuff like that, but at least I'm confident that I know what I'm doing, how to sing her songs beautifully. Do I want to sing that song for real one of these days? Yes, I would love to do it. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go on to this look right over here. I'll do one more look. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go for this one. I know this song, the beginning of this song, we'll hear what it is. I'm just gonna sing the beginning of the song from The Bodyguard. Not everybody can do it. I don't do words too well. I try to avoid that one at all costs. But here we go. Okay. As soon as I decide which one I'm gonna do. Okay. I have an idea what to do. Let's see. Okay. All right. I got it. Okay. Okay. Whatever you want, whatever you need, anything you want done, baby, I'll do it naturally. 'Cause I'm every woman, it's all in me. It's all in me. Yeah. Yeah, I did it. Not perfect, but I did a pretty damn good job, you know, I'll say. Wait. Okay. I'll do that for later. Anything else? I'll do Nippy's taupe. Okay. Trying to see if I want to sing another song. Right. This brush. Okay. I'm confused. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna go. I want one moment in time when I think of my wrong words. Destiny. There in that one moment of time, I will be free. Yeah. I'll be free. Hope I don't sound too bad. Okay, I'm almost done with this look. Okay. Okay. Okay, those are my two eye looks. The day, more the day look, evening, night look. I feel like putting anything. Yeah, I don't feel like putting anything on my lower lash line. I don't have an eyeliner on me. Okay, so on top of this Nippy's Rose lipstick, I'm gonna put the shimmery cinnamon over it. Sadly, I'll wipe this off. Looks like together. I forgot to bring my Vino lip pencil with me to put to line my lips on top of the Nippy's Rose lipstick. And then before putting that shimmery cinnamon lip gloss. And I'm gonna, right now, before I end this video, I'm gonna put my shimmery gold lip gloss by itself. Oh my lord. Okay. There you have it. Okay, until my next video, whenever that is, peace out, bye.